This is the week 3 video demonstration. Obviously, you are watching this video because you've clicked on the link right here. Let me show you some of the materials that you'll have in addition to your textbook information from the book. As in the last chapter and in all chapters, the publisher provides me with key terms and definitions. These are just some things to help you guys study, maybe some materials that are good to have in front of you when you're taking quizzes, because a lot of times these terms might help you in answering some test questions. And then it goes through with a course outline of the entire chapter. Okay. Um, Obviously, this is beneficial, but it is not substitute reading the chapters. The next thing you have is the chapter PowerPoint presentation. You will have this basically the same type of PowerPoint presentation that you've had in the previous chapter, and it's another little short summary of what the chapter contents are. Obviously, you guys can go through this, read through this. A lot of students have told me that they read the chapter as they go through the PowerPoint as a study tool. It's up to you, but just some more information to help you out. Again, both useful tools, but not a substitute for reading the chapter. In every chapter, I try to throw a video or two or three, in some cases a half a dozen, on certain topics. In chapter 2, we talk about what a stress test is. This is what a treadmill stress test looks like. A short little 3 to maybe 6-7 minute videos. Most of these are YouTube based. Some of these are materials that I've received from other publications. Here you have benefits of a warm up and cool down, another video that is synonymous with the textbook material and might help you have a little bit better understanding. From down here, everything below you have the assignments, and these are the assignments associated with a spring term. So if you're looking at this video in a different term, obviously the dates will be different, but you can see what the examples are. In here, you can see you have a question and answer forum. The forum is currently set at 3 postings per week, so you can only answer each question one time, just like the other forum was set up. The way you are graded on these is effort. There's no wrong answer as long as you're discussing the question at hand and you're providing your opinion in detail. The only time students get partial credit is if you have a lot of sentence fragments or just a position with very little effort. So make sure you only click post to forum one time when you are answering the forum questions. The next assignment down is the fitness testing assignment. I'm not going to go over this in detail because you have a special video here with a demonstration on how to do it. But what this assignment is going to be is you doing some basic physical fitness tests on your own within your own means. Obviously, we don't want anybody to get injured doing this, but you are going to do a little bit of fitness and turn that assignment in. The next assignment down is the PAR-Q questionnaire. The term PAR-Q is an acronym for Physical Activity Readiness Questionnaire. When you open the PAR-Q, you're going to see 7 yes or no questions regarding your health. What we want to find out here is if you are ready for physical activity. If you have some no's, or excuse me, if you answer no's to all questions, that means that you are ready for physical activity. If you have some yeses, that means that you can still do physical activity, but we may have to build some parameters. And if they're serious enough, maybe we want to consult a physician to help give us certain parameters to what the exercise can be. If you have any yeses, I will work with you in all of the different physical fitness assignments that we have throughout the semester. Lastly, we have the Chapter 2 quiz. Again, 20 questions, 20 minutes. Quiz will close on Sunday night at 11:55. You can only take this quiz one time. So once you start the quiz, make sure that you can complete it. You can use all of your notes, all of your textbook materials, any other materials you can find for the quizzes. And then when you're done, you can review your quiz, and that will help you out with the midterm questions. The quiz will be open until Sunday, January 29th at 11:55 in this example. However, you cannot review until after this time frame. So if you take the quiz on a Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, you will not be able to review your answers until the quiz closes that following Monday morning.